Namaste and I welcome you all to the Rhythm Club video of Prasanna Vidya Mandir on the topic music therapy. And I am Vaishnavi here on behalf of Rhythm Club presenting this video. So what is music therapy? It speaks about the power of music, the use of music and its elements with a patient or a group of people in a process which is destined to make a communication or a learning process or to express something which is so easier and also to promote it. So it is also an interpersonal process in which the therapist he uses music to help the clients to improve their health, and it is also used with the adults or children or individual of all ages and with a variety of conditions, either illness or stress or any other disorders. And it also helps patients to make changes in their lives so as to adjust to the better and to overcome the obstacles that they are facing. So the Egyptians and Greeks considered music as something which is curative and which is also used to prevent illness, and nowadays we consider music therapy is the use of music to improve the psychological, physical, intellectual and social needs of people with health or educational problems. So there are two types of music therapies. One is adaptive music therapy, where it is used by the people to help them to adapt to their physical challenges, and the other one is palliative music therapy, where it is used to treat the people who are having the symptoms with physical, mental and emotional disturbances. Even the music therapy is used with different categories of people, and this therapy helps the people to explore their feeling, to make positive changes in the mood and in their emotional state, to develop a sense of control over their lives, to learn or implement skills to solve problems and to improve socialization. Why is music able to cure? Music and breathing. An average and low breath helps calm and control emotions, and it builds a better body metabolism. Music and blood pressure. It helps the people to keep their body calm and relaxed by making them less tensed and reducing the stress of the people. Music and muscle coordination. The tone and flexibility of muscular system are powerfully influenced by tone, sound and vibration. Music and temperature. High or noisy music can elevate body temperature, while the soft music can decrease the body temperature. What are the functions of music therapy? They regain a sense of control over lives. Music therapy strengthens memories. It also improves the mood and emotional well-being of people. It helps the people to manage their pain without the use of drugs or medicines. It helps the people to increase their social interactions with their fellow members and others. Music encourages verbal as well as non-verbal communication, and it also promotes social interaction and relatedness. It also promotes positive changes in the well-being of individual. It stimulates relaxation response, which can therefore lead psychological, physiological changes in the body. Music helps to reduce stress. The rhythm of music produces a soothing effect on a subconscious level. If we choose our music wisely, it can drastically change and improve your mood and also reduce our stress level. There are various types of music, and we have to choose the best music which helps us to improve our emotional, physical and social and psychological needs, which includes classical, Celtic, Native American and even the sounds of nature can be extremely calming, which helps us in soothing our mind. What are the various tips of effective music therapy? The first one, we have to sit or lie in a comfortable position and choose our music of our choice which we like. Even going for a walk before the music therapy or after the music therapy will give us a great impact in our mood and mind. What are the general guidelines to maximize the effectiveness? Sound bath followed by music. Choose the music of your own choice which has slow rhythm and melody. For stimulation, go for a faster music where it motivates us to do some work actively. When going gets tough, go for a music which you are familiar with and take walks with your favorite music playing on the Walkman or your any other devices. Inhale and exhale in tune with the music. Now, let us see the benefits of music therapy in different ages. Children, it helps us to overcome the learning disabilities and conduct problems. It also helps in deep development disorders with children of autism, children with mental deficiency, and it also reduces and improves socialization, reduces the difficulties in socialization and improves socialization. It generates high self-esteem in children. With adults, degenerative diseases due to the age like Alzheimer's disease can be reduced by having a music therapy. Problems of drug and substance abuse can be reduced. Brain damage due to illness or injuries can be overcome with the help of music therapy. In general, music reduces the stress level of people. Let us hear to music always and keep our healthy and mind and body always. Thank you on behalf of Rhythm Club of Prasanna Vidya Mandir.